Hello guys, how you doing? You already know it's time for new things now. We're here in FL Studio 21.2. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing how you're gonna be extracting stems from samples or whatever, or even the song itself. Maybe if you feel like the instrumentals were like too high and maybe the drums were low, yeah, or there's some other place you wanna fix and take out something, maybe like the vocal, or maybe there was a clicking or a clicking sound or something like that. Without wasting time, let's dive into FL Studio. It's already open, and this is the full song. This is one of my artists, so I just wanna demonstrate to you and show you how you can do it. But it doesn't mean that you should be stealing people's song and do the way we're gonna show you so that you can use their beat for free. It's not good like that. That's what I'm not teaching. What I'm teaching you is maybe when you're ready, uh, you already export your beat and you feel like somewhere, some parts, or you just want to use some samples. This is the best way. Let's go. Let me show you how to do it. First of all, go to your beat or to your song. What you're gonna do, click here where you see there is extract stems from sample here. Now click here. As you can see here, there's drum, instrumentals, limit CPU usage, there's bass, vocals. Alright, this is the settings that are set for you. If you wanna just take out one thing, you can just select. Let's go. I'll show you my settings and how it work, and then click here, extract, then wait for some seconds. As you can see, initializing, processing. Be patient, don't rush, take your time. It depends on the project that you are extracting. Maybe it should be bigger than this one, it will take longer. If it is smaller than this one, then it will take uh, some minutes or some seconds. As you can see there, as I was placing, I just choose bass, vocals, and instruments. The drums are not selected. So okay, take your time. Wait for it. We in the process. This is one of the best features in FL Studio 21.2. Almost everyone that is using FL is in love with this new feature. It's probably the best one. You too, you should try that. If you're still using FL 20 or 21, you should try to buy. This is a good FL ever. There's many features that are in it, new updates and stuff. The best way for you is to buy and try it yourself, because online people they don't show all. They don't show all. We almost there. Be patient. Don't rush. as you can see here, when done, there is mute source clip. I'm gonna show you how it works after the process is done. We almost. Now boom. Remember, there was one place that I didn't select, that was drums. So let me play it to you. Remember the place I showed you there where it said mute when it's done. This is the main source. So what I'll do, I'll mute it, then I'll play. As you can see here, this is bass. Bass is out, and this is our instruments. Now vocals only. Okay, let me take out the vocals. Instruments, bass, there is our bass there. Now if you wanna sample, you just take your bass or your instruments, sample it, or maybe you wanna use the vocal. Now you can just mute all and now with all. Let me play for you the full song. Let me play you the full song. Now as you can see, it's muted. All you gotta do, come here. This is the mute button. Press it. That's how it is. Thank you guys. This is the simple way um, to extract your stems for sampling, or to fix if something in your beat is higher, or in your full song is higher. You can or you can extract and just reduce the volume of the particular part that you see that it's not right. Thank you guys for watching.